going on, everyone? It's Caf from Caf_official_Insta from Instagram, and I got a special review for you right now. It is the boom, 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 boom. The Parra Nike Air Max 1. Let's go. You'll not be surprised that these are sold out. They sold out immediately on the sneakers app. They sold out immediately on the raffles. They sold out immediately on Parra's website. And you can see why. Not since the Cherry Wood Patta Cross Parras and the Parra Cross Kid Robot Cross Nike Air Max 1 have we seen a hype for an Air Max 1, purely Air Max 1 silhouette, so the Air Max 197 Sean Wotherspoon doesn't count. A pure Air Max 1 model, and maybe even the Atmos Animal. Okay, there's been a couple of crazy Air Max 1s, but this one, Parra collaboration. Let's get straight into the close-up shots and a quick description of the shoe and the history. So, as Nike describes the Parra Cross Nike collaboration, iconic, colorful, bold, and authentic. These are qualities that apply to both Nike and the art of Parra, the Dutch artist. With this second collaboration, Nike and Parra reignite a true sneaker culture partnership with a color palette that's equally tied to Parra's artistic style and the history of Nike's signature silos. And straight away, let's just get straight into the upper of the shoe. The upper, you've got the diagonal stripes in grey and dark grey charcoal on the toe box, on the heel counter version. You've got the burgundy, cherrywood burgundy we've come to know and love since the Cherrywoods. You've got particle pink. You've got navy blue on the heel cup. You've got white polka dots. The outsole is rubber. The bottom of the outsole is similar to the Sean Wotherspoon, and we're seeing a lot of that in 2018. It is red, particle pink, blue, and dark blue. It looks very similar to the outsole underfoot of the Sean Wotherspoon Air Max 197. It's just missing the green, I believe, and yellow. The upper, we got a blue swoosh. You've also got mesh on the toe box, and on the lateral and medial side, you've got a suede. Oh, this is soft and buttery. On the tongue, we have the red Air Max logo, red and white, and on the inside, probably one of the most hidden but quirky and amazing details of the shoe. You've got the insole with the Parra artist design. You've got red, you've got white, you've got blue, you've got pink, you've got orange, and you've got the Parra signature. And also, another nice little feature is on the aglets, the little lace tips. You've got that quirky little white and blue striping. Now, one thing I love about this shoe, there's probably the smallest detail on the entire shoe, is this right here. The Parra signature embroidered on the lateral side of the right shoe. Bear in mind, this is not on the left shoe, it's only on the right shoe. Why do I like it so much? I just like quirky features like the Air Max 98 and the off-center swoosh on the tongue. I just like quirky things like that. I don't know, blame it on my age. Maybe I'm getting old, maybe I'm getting young. I don't know where I'm going with this. So do you know what we're gonna do right now? We're gonna get straight into the on-foot shots. Let's go, baby. Yeah. Okay, and that's it for the review of the Air Max 1 Parra collaboration. Don't forget, they also dropped a pair of Spiridons with a similar colorway, well, an identical colorway, but slightly switched up design, because obviously the Spiridons aren't the same as the Air Max 1. I shouldn't need to explain that, should I? I shouldn't need to explain that. They both came out today. These cost £120. They were £120. If you weren't lucky, if you caught the L, don't worry. I haven't looked at resale prices just because I literally just got these. They literally just come out, so I don't know. Anyway, that's it from me. Don't forget, next week, the 27th, is the Off-White Presto in triple black. Sign up to your raffles. Sign up to your raffles. Sign up to your raffles. Set your notifications. Set notifications on Instagram. Set notifications on Twitter. Sign up, sign up, sign up. A few retailers have already started to open the raffle up for the Off-White Prestos in black. And the week after, on the 3rd of August, is the Off-White Prestos in triple white. Good luck to everyone. Apparently there's more pairs than the original 10, the black muslin pair. Fingers crossed. I hope everyone gets a pair that wants them. Wear them, rock them, keep them in a glass vault. Do whatever you want with them, but just, I hope you get it. That's it from me. Shout out to all the new subscribers. Shout out to all the followers on Instagram. Love y'all, and see you soon. Yeah.